take all of me. Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I want to lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on, dear, without you? You took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I want to lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on, dear, without you? You took the best, why not take the rest? Baby, take all of me.
A bit long.
Yeah, I know, we'll bring it up a little bit. You have to take,
It's a half a minute long.
Say, Earl Hines, why don't you let us in on some of that good music, Pops?
Well, come on, yeah, let's get together then.
Well, all right, tune up, boys. Is that all right? Is that all right?
That sounds pretty good.
Yes, that sounds pretty good. I bet if you had a half a pint of Miss Cersei's gin, you wouldn't say that sounds pretty good. Well, anyhow, we're going to play anyway. Say, come on, Zooty, whip them cymbals, Pops. Don't forget our Monday day that you promised me last Tuesday. I have found a cozy place, so please phone me at noonday. But remember, September, when the preacher says we'll build a cool forever and never have to make a Monday day for any date we'll
I hadn't anyone till you. I was the lonely one till you. I used to lie awake and wonder if there could ever be someone in this wide world just meant for me. Now I see I had to save my love for you. I never gave my love till you. And with my lonely heart demanding it, Cupid took a hand in it. I hadn't anyone till you. Save my love all for you. I never gave my love till you. And with my lonely heart demanding it, Cupid took a hand in it. I hadn't anyone till you.
I'm so unhappy, left all alone. Ain't got nobody to love now. The man I long for is not so strong for me. He's not an angel, but I don't care. Perhaps a change will come someday. whatever he is, I wanna be his way. Don't want a mother, I don't need a friend. My heart is aching, it won't ever mend. I ain't much caring just where I will end, but I must have that man. Like an oven that's crying for heat, he treats me awful each time we meet. It's just unlawful how he can cheat, but I must have that man. He's hot as Hades, a lady's not safe in his arms when she's kissed. I'm afraid he's cooled off and maybe I'm rude off his list. I need that person much worse than just bad. I'm half alive and he's driving me mad. He's only human, he can be had, and I must have that man.
Right now, right quick. One more.
Dans un coin perdu de montagne, un tout petit Savoyard chantait son amour dans les calmes du soir. C'était